friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? So it's another episode of What in the Hell the Bearded Picker Sell this week, brought to you by your good friends at, I don't know, we don't have a sponsor. We're not a big time like that. But anyway, we're going to jump right over here to the action. This week was not as good as last week, but still 24, 99, 97, 2,500. And there's still an hour to go. Maybe someone on the West Coast will order something to officially kick us over the 2,500 mark. So these are all the items that were at least $20. Because I sold a bunch of items, but these are just the $20 ones. Up first, you guys probably saw me pick this up at the garage sales. I paid $5 for this pair of Liberty overalls. They are 42 by 32. They were new with tags. I took a best offer of $35, so I got the $44.95. I just didn't get $10 shipping, or I got $1 more, but that's okay. Next up, this guy is a charger for a Leapfrog. That system right there. It's an Amazon return. I think I had like $4 in it. It was at Walmart on return. Walmart clearance item. $21.99 shipped. More of the electronic lot that just keeps on giving. Sold. These are the proximity key fobs. They're $33 each, and sold 2 of them. It's actually sold 4 for the week. The second of the Mr. Coffee Cocoa Motion Hot Chocolate, I actually took a best offer of $74 plus 10 shipping, so I got $85.95 shipped. Those are great. Even if they're not new in the box like the 2 I've sold are, they're still worth around 30ish. Maybe not right now in the summer, but they're definitely worth it once it cools off and it's not, 2 degrees from the reaches of Hades. All right, the Atari Flashback. This was an open box, $25.99. All right. Making Bacon, $13.99. But Bearded Picker, that's not $20. I sold 2 of them. Took a best offer of $12 each, so they were $24 for the 2 of them. Just thought it was interesting that bought those for $3 each on Walmart clearance. This one, $19.99, didn't quite make the $20 threshold, but if we round up. Just wanted to show this one again. I think I was multiple times on here. They weren't selling very good individually, so we stuck them together, and we still have 4 more available. So I got these at Walgreens. They're 90% off clearance. I paid, I think, $1 each for them. This was in the storage building. Yes. I've had this for a couple of years, and don't know why in the hell I just didn't stick it up there, because it sold pretty quickly. It's a TI-89 titanium calculator by Texas Instruments. I always put the manual on CD just so they can have access to it without having to go hunt for it. You guys should have seen me thrift this in Austin, Texas. I don't know why I want to call it San Antonio. In Austin, Texas. It was new. It still had all the stuff inside it. Plastic still on it, never used. The only thing it didn't have was the mounting screws, for somehow were not in this thing. And so I listed as new other. If it was new, it'd have been another $90 more. I took a best offer of $145 on this thing. I paid $6. I have a second one, but unfortunately my air conditioner thermostat died, so it's currently in the house running my air conditioner. Sometimes you get lucky. $6. Alright, next up, I sell a bunch of flip phones. I guess you see a theme here since I've been doing these. I don't have a flip phone for this week. I'm about to find one just to stick one up there. But $34.99. Yeah, this was a Sprint phone. Picked it up $5 or $6 at Walgreens. A lot of my stuff is just retail arbitrage that's been laying around. This one, I don't know if this came from San Antonio or where it came from. Took a best offer of $58 plus the 11 shipping, so it's right at the $69 mark. HP ink toners are always good. Well, almost always good. There's some money in all of them. Here's another one, $28.99 plus $10.95 shipping. I got full price on that one. Went back to Texas. Alright, come on, computer. Meanwhile, Sony, most of these Sony micro cassette recorders are very good money. This one took a best offer of 35, so it was a 40. People think they're sneaky getting around my free shipping, but hey, that's okay. I put the $5 shipping on there because I knew they'd make an offer. So trying to get just to squeeze a little bit more profit out of it. I picked these up at yard shows, usually $3 or $4, so I didn't have a lot of money in this thing. I'm gonna quit hitting that desk like that so it doesn't make that noise anymore for you guys. But always check these out. Olympus does okay, and if you can find some of the other ones new, if this thing is new in package, you find it every now and then. You know, people will pay upwards of $300 for it. So Sony micro cassette recorders, they're good find. This was a clearance. They had a black mark on the front of it, right there. Could not get it off, no matter what I did. So I never sent it to Amazon because I didn't want to take a chance. Because you just cannot get that. I don't know what it is. And I tried a little bit of everything, but the plastic would scratch if you get too. So $24.99 is a full price on eBay. Did you guys see me pick this up at a yard sale for $5? If not, go watch the video. It's one of the yard sale videos. Nearing the end of the day, it was brand new in the box. Kitchen items brand new in the box. That coffee maker, the hot chocolate maker. Now this. Always check them out because there is a command of a price for something that's a little older, still new in the box. This is from Walgreens. One of the older Red Ranger Samurai. You see these every now and then in Walgreens. They'll just be mixed in with the other Power Rangers because, employees, when they stock new ones, just put them on top of the old ones. Got $34.99 shipped for that guy right there. That was a good deal. He was $9. Sold this. I had $2 in it, and I had a dollar on clearance headphones, so I stuck them together. It was in very nice shape. It worked well. I like putting headphones and things together, especially if you can put a new set of headphones like that with it. Add some value. I had a dollar in the headphones because I bought them on clearance. They weren't going to bring me a lot of money, and that's one thing I do as well with some of the camera cases. It's a good thing to do if you find something like these headset. This a JVC, a nice pair of headset on clearance for $1 or $2. Even though you can't make any money on it, you can add value to another item you have to increase the value and make money more than a couple dollars. Alright, so next up, I have 3 of these. Well, now I have 2. It is a fax machine. It's a Brother 575. Picked this up at Bargain Hunt for $6. Took an offer of $35, so it was $40 shipped. And I took the offer because it went to Tennessee, so it didn't cost much to ship it. This guy's pretty neat. I've had this for quite a while. I don't know why I've never stuck it online. Got $26.99 for it. It is it's called an auto winder. It rewinds your VHS tapes. But we took a picture of it inside the box. This is the red one. The red one's a little more rare than the white one. So basically the back trunk pops up and you stick the tape in there and it rewinds it for you. So that one was pretty cool. Oops, come back up here, Thomas. Thomas the Tank Engine. This is the original Thomas. This is a Walmart exclusive. Walmart did some of the wooden Thomases. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a different one than it's still motorized. Maybe it's not wooden, but it's a different one that they did. But I took a best offer of I think 26, so it was like $31. Neat scanner. I had 3 or 4 offers on this one and declined to take them, but then I got a full price on it. It was $74.95 plus the 11 shipping. This one had the box. You guys, somebody asked me about it in one of the videos or one of the shows or whatever. It was sitting down here on the floor. It was just me getting around to listing it, so it went. These things sell really quick. Then there's another one coming up. I got $10 less for it because it didn't have the box, but I paid $5 for it. This one was a loss. I think I paid $35 for it at Walmart and then got ugly noted from Amazon or whoever, so I just got what I could get out of it. I think I got my money back. That's about it. Next up, water balloons. You can see that I've sold 19 of these things, 19 sets of them. They're They come. I've been selling them 5 in a pack. I've got 50 cents to a dollar in them. Can't remember exactly what I paid. I've had them for a couple years in storage, but it says they're all sold. But I actually have one more set. I had to edit the listing. I've got one set left, and I sold 7 or 8 this week. This was a Norelco razor. I don't know where I got it or even what I paid for it. It's been around for a while. So I stuck it up online a couple weeks ago, and it took a best offer of $29. Some things I'm just looking to get rid of. It was older, and the top had yellowed a little bit, even though it was still new in the package. That's why it didn't go to Amazon. But yeah, so not bad. Monopoly deal took a best offer of $25 for a deck of game cards. That's a hard to find game, and is always money. Got one more. Actually, I've got 2 more. One was open, so it's not worth any money to use. So I'm donating it to the local thrift down the street. All right, come down. This is a repeat offender. He came back broken. The tape plays and then quits. But it is such a rare VCR. It's a World VCR by Panasonic. It's a really nice machine. It went on to I don't know, went back to Washington State. $37 to ship this thing. But $129. I ended up making like $22 after shipping both ways and all the crazes I got paid. So it's alright. Didn't lose. Here's the other one. It's the $64.95 instead of the $74.95 and $10.95 shipping. So it's a just had the power cable and the USB cable. I didn't have the software, but that's okay. They've changed their model now where you have to buy their it's a subscription service to their. Why these things jumped up out there? I went all the trouble to put them down. I had 434 of these cards from the lot from the security system. There were groups of 100, so this was just the open cards that I had. So I just counted them all up and wrapped them in shrink wrap over there. And 34, I took a best offer of $35. The other ones were going for 100. Were going for 180. I sold 4 of those. Those were very nice. Oh, more of the Paxton. Those are the key fobs I told you that I sold 2 more. There they go. Nice to see this lightsaber sale. It is a Darth Vader lightsaber torch sound. It makes a little glowing light. It makes the sounds. Says I got 3 left, 3 available. That might be a lie. I might have 15 of them. $20.69 shipped. Actually took a best offer of $26 on these, so I got $31. Turtle Beach, the gaming headset. I picked them up from Walmart. I have no idea what I paid for them. I have no idea why they didn't go to Amazon. Jacob found them though. Jacob listed them. Hey, good for him. We sold them. This young lady here, she's rather interesting. The little things on her boobs. Yeah. Right. That's a cartoon, guys. All right. Don't know what to say about that, old Rita. Rita Repulsa. I guess we know how she's going to repulse you. So anyway, back to before my mind just went nuts here. This was picked up at somewhere, Rite Aid, Walgreens, somewhere. Paid $8 for it, so not bad. This guy, I picked him up at a yard sale for $1. Y'all probably saw it. Took a best offer of $20. It is Jordan Spieth. They gave these out or at the 2007 Tour Championship. I believe that's in Atlanta. So, yeah, East Lake Golf Club. That's Atlanta. Nice. This guy here, banged up box. The little thing had been opened. But I don't know what's up with the deal with these things. I had 3 of them. They sell like within 3 or 4 hours of being listed, so I don't know what they do, or looks like they make it where any TV can universal Wi-Fi or something. Who knows? I can tell you one thing to do. They make money. They make money. Another Polaroid. Took an offer of $23 from Retrospect. I only had $1 in it, so they can have it. Pretty easy to ship. What does it go into? A 6x6x6 box, wrap it up in bubble wrap and send it on. I can't remember if the thing went over, if it was over a pound or not. I can't remember, but if it did, it would have gone cubic, the old pirate ship. This guy here is paid $1 for it at Walmart. Rachel Ray Stoneware is an extra virgin olive oil dispensing bottle. I have 3 of these, sold 2 of them, and the wife confiscated the 3rd one. So there you have that one. It's hard to argue with her. After 30 years, I don't think she listens anyway. I can't remember whether, and she knows she gets her way, so it's alright. I wouldn't have it any other way. So here we go. Don't know if this made the last time or not, because the week, when I started doing these for the week, I did this, it overlaps by a few hours from what I call a week to what they call a week. So if you've seen it, say, hey Scott, we've seen that, and I'll go, nice. But anyway, it's worth looking at because people spend a lot of money on their animals. And this guy paid $15 at a yard sale. Tried to talk him down, even though I was not successful. He said he needed the full 15. I took a best offer of $60. So that was some good profit in that one. Ooh, let's stop here. So this is the end of the week. Very nice week, $2,500. It's not as good as the $3,500, but I'll take $2,500 this week. Not bad, because you guys know I do Amazon as well, so they both ran very well this week. I flipped over to this one so you guys can see the reseller therapy. Join us again on John's channel. Nevermore Antiques, Friday night, 10 p.m. It'll be an hour and a half show. Pretty fun show last week. Who knows what the topic will be this week. We'll figure it out. Probably about 9 o'clock Friday night. That'll be nice. But I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys learned something. You got any questions about the items that I've sold or why I picked those items or what it is, leave them in the comments below, and I do my best to, I know I read every comment, and then I try to reply to everyone as well, because if you'll take the time to make a comment, ask a question, or give me advice or tell me things, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Actually, I had someone last week tell me that I needed to speak up because they could barely hear me, and then tonight I was talking to Dusty. We were in a hangout, and he was talking about, man, your mic, and this, when it's picked up by the camera, is really off. So that's why I put the headphones on. He said, man, it's greatly improved. So maybe that was the issue last week. I had somebody make a comment in a video Friday or Saturday when the video was so noisy. I still apologize for that video, and because I was carrying around the GoPro on a little tripod. But it was a very cheap tripod, very weak, and it moving around in my hand was making all that crazy noise. So, yeah, we won't use that anymore. And now that I found the microphones, the yard sale video is much better. And so, I do listen to you guys. I do appreciate your input. You're helping me do things better. Tell me what you like and what you don't like, and I will try to deliver on some of those fun things and exciting things. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week as well. Remember, only the bearded picker tells you the secret to eBay. You got to list it to sell it. All right. Roll Tide. Thanks, everyone.